Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy avocado ranch. So let's get started. Into your mixer, add 1 medium avocado, half a cup of buttermilk, four tablespoons of sour cream, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of cilantro, half a teaspoon of sriracha sauce, half a teaspoon of habanero honey mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 3/4 teaspoon salt, our salt to taste. And we're just gonna blend that up in our blender. So here you can see our nice creamy avocado ranch, and I'm just going to pour this into our serving dish. And you can see how nice and thick this avocado ranch is. It's perfect for salads, as a dip. It's amazing. Here I have paired my avocado ranch with some carrots, and you can see how thick and nice the consistency of the avocado ranch is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.